It was just another working day at a busy construction site, at least, that's what everyone believed. The air was thick with dust, the sound of machinery echoed in every corner, and workers moved with the usual mixture of fatigue and urgency. But beneath the surface of this ordinary environment, something unsettling was quietly taking shape. High above the ground, on the steel framework of an unfinished structure, one worker was performing his routine checks. He paused for a moment, noticing something that didn't look quite right: an unstable beam, a loose bolt, a slight shift in the metal that shouldn't have been there. No one around him realized that those small details were about to lead to a tragedy that would shock the entire site. A faint metallic creak cut through the noise, sharp enough to freeze the breath in his chest. And then, before anyone could react, it happened. His footing gave way, the steel beneath him shifted, and his body dropped from a height no one could survive. Everything unfolded in seconds, but for the people who witnessed it, it felt like an eternity. The site fell silent. Workers rushed toward where he had fallen, confusion and fear written across their faces. Shock replaced the noise of the machines, and the ground seemed to hold its breath. Investigators soon arrived. They examined the twisted metal, the loose bolts, the section of steel that should never have been left in such a dangerous condition. Was it negligence? A mistake? Or something far more deliberate? The deeper they looked, the more questions emerged about safety, about responsibility, and about what had really happened up there on the scaffolding. When the dust finally settled, the construction site didn't feel like the same place anymore. The unfinished building stood in silence, as if burdened by the weight of what had occurred. For everyone who worked there, the tragedy became a haunting reminder that one moment of oversight in a dangerous environment can change everything. And even long after the machines start again and the structure finally rises, the memory of that day will linger etched into the steel, the concrete, and the hearts of those who witnessed it.